burgers. We're gonna make some pimento cheese, some pickled onions, jalapeños, an egg. Stick around. Get this fired up, take you inside. We're gonna confit some garlic also. Don't mind the mess back here. Working on recessing this into that. Give you a little look if you want. So I might be doing a video on it, but we got some of the framing done. The cooler's gonna get recessed into there. It's gonna be flush with the bar top. But I'll keep you posted. First thing we gotta do is confit the garlic. So here we are, we got the peeled garlic. All I'm gonna do is just add the olive oil. Just make sure it's covered with oil. This is gonna confit these garlic cloves. They're gonna be delicious. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the heat on, we're gonna bring it up to a simmer. We're gonna let it simmer for about a half hour, 45 minutes. You don't want to fry the garlic though. Just bring it up to a light simmer. Now we're gonna make the pimento cheese. Just have some cream cheese there, nice and soft. Chopped up some pimento peppers. And with some shredded cheddar. And we're going to set that aside. We got the traeger going. Let's see out there. Now we got the burgers. Just going to hit them with some salt and pepper. We get them on the traeger. Going at 300 today. Give you a quick look at the garlic sizzling away here. So we got these burgers, about, like I said, about a half pound a piece. Salt and pepper. We're just going to throw them on the traeger. Let them hang for a little while. We're going to flip them over, then we're going to get the cheese on them. So, hang tight. These burgers are about halfway through. Come in with that cheese spread we made. Don't be shy here. Get a nice big honking spoonful on there. After that, we're going to come over the top with another slice of cheddar. Inside, we'll get these rolls ready to get toasted. Here we got the roll. That garlic confit. We pulled a couple of them cloves out. What we're going to do, we're just going to spread it right on the bread. So now we're just going to throw these brioche buns. They got the garlic on them. A little butter on the top. The cheese is melting good. We're just going to toss them on there for a few minutes. So everything's ready now. We'll pull these buns off. Get a burger on there. I'm going to take it inside and we're going to build one of these up. I can't wait because I'm starving. Now let's build this bad boy up. So we got an over easy egg. Just fried that up real quick. We fried some bacon up. You know all about that. We come in with some pickled red onions, some pickled jalapeños, and regular pickles. Them on there. Come in with the hot sauce. Using some sriracha here. We're going to top it off with some honey. I like putting a good bit of honey on there. So now it's time for the taste test. I don't even know where to start with this one. I know it's going to be messy. Oh, yeah. Should be sitting down eating this one, but I don't care. I gotta take another bite.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead and make this burger up. Make sure you grab some napkins, though, because it sure is messy, but it's well worth it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel because we'll be coming out with more videos every week. So, thanks for watching. I hope you make this burger, and I hope you enjoy it. Take care.